Hello friends, this is Venu. In this video I am explaining about how to integrate Hbase and Hive. For example, Hbase is not possible to run SQL queries. By default it doesn't support it. And also coming to Hive, it's not possible to update the existing data. So that's why in case we are integrating these two components, Hadoop components, at the time it is a lot of problems. That means it's good idea. That's why what is the process to integrate this Hive and Hbase? I am explaining in this video. Okay, please let's follow these instructions. Let us example, first of all, start Hadoop. First of all, it is mandatory to start Hadoop. Okay. Then I have already created a document. I have already created the document, this Hive Hbase integration. Okay, you can also download this documentation from my website. It is bigdataanalyst.in. Okay, and okay, come to the point. Hadoop is already started and Hive, and also I am opening another terminal. It is Hbase. How to start Hbase? By default it is external Hbase. So first of all we start zookeeper jetcaseserver.sh space start. Okay, now zookeeper is started and start Hbase. Now Hbase is started. Okay, now what is the command to check existing tables in Hive? It is show databases. There is no any special databases. It is by default. Okay, there is no any special database. I am dropping this database. It is first database. Okay, it is drop. Okay, the main reason it is empty table, empty database. That's why it's easy to delete this, to drop this database. Okay, now show databases. There is no any special databases. Now we are creating a databases. Now we are creating a database to run this Hbase and everything. Okay. First of all, we create a database. How? What is the process? Create database Hive Hbase. Okay, it is database. Okay, Hive Hbase DB. Sorry. Okay, I hope it is easy to remember. Okay, now use Hive Hbase DB. Okay, now create a table. How to create a table? For example, For example, consider this one. For example, empty salary. What is this? Name, it is ID or age, or it is year when they are joined, and their salary. For example, consider this table. Okay. For example, I want to load this data into Hive. What should I do? Simply employee salaries. Create a table like CREU not a employee. Okay, in this employee, first is name, second one is ID or age. You can consider age as well. Okay, year, okay. Row, not rows, row format. Now created a table. Okay, you can check it. Show tables. Employee. Okay, created a table. Now what next? Dump this data into database. For example, select star from employee employee. There is no any data. That's why it doesn't. It's not displaying any data. Okay. Now, what should we do? Dump this data, employee salary information into this data. So, to do it, simply load data local import home Hadoop and desktop employee salary. That means basically where this data, simply to know it, simply go to properties and Hadoop home desktop, and what is this table name? Simply this one. Okay, simply copy it and paste it. That means we are dumping this data into table. So that's why. So this is the path. What this path? Simply paste it and now what next? Override into table employee. Okay, now it's overloading. That means it is automatically store this data into this database. Okay, how to check it? This is the path. Homework for data warehousing database implementation. You can check this directly here. For example, localhost Hadoop. Where this data? Home Hadoop work. Where is home? This is home Hadoop work and data warehousing, data warehouse, and this is Hive. Actually just now we have created a database, Hive Hbase DB. Okay, in this database employee is a table. Actually just now we have created a database. Actually I hope you know. Okay, In this database we have created a table. It is called employee table. Okay, in this employee table you can find this information, everything. It is venu. Just now we have dumped this data, that's why it is stored here. Okay, I hope you understand everything what is what. Okay, now come to the Hbase part. How do we know it's working or not? Simply JBS. You can check, you can find it. This H master and H region server and quorum peer man. So it is zookeeper. Okay, quorum peer man is zookeeper, H master is running, and H region server. That means these two are core components in Hbase. So it's working everything. First of all, check. Oh, sorry. To enter into Hbase, Hbase shell. To run Hbase queries in command prompt. Okay. Now list. There is no any database. Okay. That's why it's showing 0 rows. To create a database, please note there is no any special name with database. Hbase, there is no any databases. Simply just have everything in your table. Okay. But the process. Otherwise, I will give a documentation for you how to practice this everything. Simply I will give this documentation to practice Hbase. Okay, this is the syntax to create a table and everything. Create table column family like this. Okay, see, otherwise I have already given this documentation. Please follow this. It is a Hbase training. This is actually what I have explained everything. That means create a table. Just now I have explained. Load this data into table. I have already explained. Select star from employee. By the way, just now I have shown in the browser level, but I didn't show it in command prompt. This is Hive mode. Select star from what is this create table name employee employee. Okay, same data. Please check here. It is a HDFC data, and this is command line data. So everything is available here. Okay, now what next? This is nothing but you can create a table in the Hbase prompt. Create a table in Hbase prompt. Create Hbase. We are creating a table name. You can create anything, is not a problem. My first Hive Hbase integration. For example, this is a table name. Okay, and creating a column family. Column family, I will explain about this later. It is too complicated. There is no actually a set of columns is nothing but a column family. It is too important. Okay, and please note, don't mention semicolon here. Okay, now we are creating a table in the Hbase. The purpose of this table is nothing but we are dump this Hbase data into this table. Okay, Then created. You can check it. List. Okay. In this list, that means it is showing the tables. So everything is available here. That is, this is the table name. Okay. And to know what are the column families in this list, in this table, simply list Hive Hbase integration. Okay, please put it. If you enter it, sorry. Okay, I will explain about this depth information later. First of all, this is actually we are creating a table in this Hbase. Now remaining everything which is complete based on Hbase on Hive only. Okay, actually I will give four jar files. Please add these jar files, otherwise there is another command prompt as well. You can set a class path directly. That means it is nothing but we are set a jar path, class paths. What we are doing, everything we are configuring in the command prompt. Okay, we are setting some class. You can run this one, otherwise simply you can add these 4 jars. This is the trigger, too important. Without adding these 4, it's not possible to integrate this Hive and Hbase. Okay, simply don't do both these two, this set path and jar path. Don't do both these commands. Okay, simply add these 4 jars. Then added everything. Okay, now almost 99% everything is integrated with Hive and Hbase. Okay, Hive is integrated with Hbase completely. Now we are creating a table. Basically, I hope you may confuse what is this employees table, why we are creating another table. The main reason is we are creating an external table. In this video I am explaining about what is the importance of external table and internal table. In case I have deleted this data in Hive, but if you don't include this external, then what happens means, if you deleted this any table in this Hive table, automatically it is deleted in the Hbase. It is in production level, it is not a good idea. That's why almost external table is highly recommendable. Okay, now I am that's why to create an external table, this is the process. For this create external table, something as you wish. Create a table, Hive Hbase int. Okay, creating something table as you wish. Okay, for example, in this table, please note this schema should mandatory and equal to the existing table. Actually we are dumping this data into this external table. Okay, that's why it is mandatory. It is name, age, year and salary. These 4 fields is mandatory. And also please note, primary, any databases, primary keys is mandatory. So first of all we are creating a primary key and unique key. Okay, that's why first of all we are creating a key. Actually there is four actually 4 fields only. It is name and age and something, year and salary, 4 fields only, but we are adding another extra column as well. It is called something, it is primary key. Okay, that's why it is key, creating it key, it is string. Okay, and another remaining everything we should mention here. It is name and age I think, is it age created by, yes, it is age. Let's check this one. This is age. Okay, name string, age int, year int, salary int, included, stored by. Okay, it is taking a lot of time, that's why simply I am copying it. Okay, stored with Hbase Actually, what this table means, Hive Hbase integration. Okay, actually, what this everything means, we are creating an external key, external table, Hive Hbase, and it is, we are mentioning key. Key is nothing but primary key. Okay, and key is nothing but a string. Okay, otherwise you can include a cell phone number is a primary key, unique key. At the time you can mention cell and long int, big int. Okay, and name is string, age is int, and year is int, and salary is stored by. Actually, we are calling this class path from this header. Okay, we are calling a class path. Okay, with Saturday properties. Saturday means it is, we are creating a schema, proper delimiter in other words. Okay, creating this one. It is a key, and it is column family is 1, column family 2. This is too important. Most of the people most of the folks confusing here. Make a mistake here. Don't mistake. And the table form TBL properties. That means it is table properties. We are creating table properties here. It is table name. Hive Hbase integration. Please note, this Hive Hbase integration is equal to this one. Don't okay, be careful. Okay, that means what you have created, everything, it is automatically dumping into this table. Okay, now if you create like this, simply enter, created. Okay, now you can check this table, show tables. Employee is nothing but this data, old data, what you have, everything, non-partition, non-optimized data it is. Hbase is, we are targeting some data and dumping into the, and what you have created, everything, this data. In the, if you are inserting some data in a Hive Hbase, automatically it is stored in Hive Hbase integration table. Okay, you can check it now. For example, it is Hbase. Go to this one. Now if you are inserting some data into Hbase table, automatically it is showing here. For example, now scan. Any information, scan is nothing but any to know any data within this table, we are using scan. Okay, there is no 0 rows, so there is no any data. Okay, that's why if now we are dumping some data into this table, Hive Hbase table. Okay, that data is automatically stored in here. You can check here, Hive Hbase table. If you are dumping any data, if you are loading any data into the Hive Hbase table, automatically store this data into this table in Hbase table. Okay, now what is the process? Insert table name. What is this table name? Hive Hbase. Okay, what data we are dumping into this Hive Hbase means select. This is too important, please note. Actually, concat, we are creating some unique key. That's why it is name comma okay as key. Okay, next that means, okay, wait, first of all I will write a script, I will write commands, then I will explain everything. This name, age, and what is this data? Name, age, year, salary. Okay, if you what this means, inserting some data into this table. What's the desired data means? Select concat name and age. The main reason is you should create something unique. For example, it is also possible you can include this information as well, but it is not unique. In case if you are inserting 33 once again, Google it may confuse, and the main reason is primary key is unique key. There is no any other key. That's why it is mandatory. I am combining these two as a primary key, name and age. That means it is creating venu 33 is a primary key, Anjali 33 is a primary key. So it is creating like that. It is creating a key like that. Okay, that's why we are creating like this. We are using as key. We are concatenate these two and putting it into a key. Okay, insert, 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 override, sorry, there is override. Okay, I have created a small document for you. Please follow it. Okay. Insert table name for better. Okay. Insert Okay, select name, salary, etc., age, year from table. What is the table? Basically this data, actually employee table. Now what happening here? Select contact, select key, name, age, year, salary from employee table. That means it is selecting all information from employee table and dumping into the Hive Hbase table. Okay. Now what happening here? It is from the Java MapReduce jobs in backend. Okay. You can check it now. There is no any data. Scan. Now it is created. What happened? Actually, you can check here. What happened here? Scan Hive. There is no any data. Scan Hive. It is displaying everything. Anjali 33, venu 33, everything. It is displaying here. Why? Main reason is it is dumping some data. Now it is completed. Okay. You can check here MapReduce programming as well. It is 00 map 100% completed, 100. Now Reduce also completed 100%. Okay. Now 4 rows loaded into Hive table. MapReduce jobs launched and everything, whatever it may be related information, everything. You can check this job details here. What is job 30? It is job tracker. It is job tracker responsibility. Okay. Now these 4 information is stored here. That means this data where it is. Yes, you can check in Hbase. Sorry, in Hive. Select star from, what is this table name? It is Hive Hbase. This data is collecting from employee table. Okay. Anjali 33 is a primary key. Okay. This is the data. Anjali and 33 and this one. Venu and 34 and year and salary. Okay. For example, I want to change this 33. Anjali 33 I want to change this number. What should I do now? There is no any command to update this information. That's why what should I do? Simply go here. Go to Hbase. It is Anjali 33. It is CF1 value is 33. I want to change it. To change it, what should I do? Actually, simply using put Hive Hbase integration. It is table name and what is this row? Row means this one. Okay. It is Anjali 33 and it is row and column family. This is column family. It is CF1 ID. Okay. CF1 ID. Okay. Now you can change as you wish. For example, this is value is 33. I want to store 87. Otherwise 27. I want to change this age. This ID number as 33. Okay. What should I do now? Okay. Now, just now it is included. You can check it now. Scan. It is 27. Value is 27. Okay. You can check here. Sorry. Okay, in Hive, select start from Hive. Now it is changed. It is 33. It is 27 now. Let example, I want to change it to something, and also I want to run some queries. Select start from something. Automatically you can run the SQL command here. So to update everything, it is simple process. Okay. Now that example, I'm interested to delete this data in Hbase. What happened? In the example, I want to delete it. Drop table Hive. Done. It is deleted in Hive. Now show tables. There is no any Hive database, Hive Hbase table. Okay, the reason just now I have dropped here, but it is deleted this data as well, but it is not impact in this table. For example, I have scanned it. Automatically this data is available here. Even though it is integrated with Hive and Hbase, it is external table. That means it is not deleting the other data. That means it is in external table. That's why it is not deleting this Hbase information. Okay, I hope you understand, and it is easily integrated and everything. I have already created about this integration everything. Please follow this documentation for better results. Okay, I hope you are enjoy this video, and if you are satisfied and you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, and also if you are satisfied and it is useful for someone, please share this video as you wish, either through social media networks. Okay, thank you very much, friends. This is Venu and signing off today. Okay, bye bye.